Hello, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today I will tell you how to install and enable Laravel Debugbar. Debugbar is used to monitor our web application performance. So for this we will open the browser and type the URL, right? Our project name is Agile. We will press enter. It will load our project. But here Laravel Debugbar is not available. So for this we will go to the terminal or our DOS prompt using CMD, right? We will give the path over of our project, and here we will type this command, right? We will paste here, then we press enter. It will take not too much time. If you are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel so that I will motivate and make more videos for you. Just two, two, 3 seconds left. It install it. Now we will reload our URL. It's still not available. So for this we will enable the app debug is true in .env file, right? We will go to the our project folder and open the .env file, and here it's false. We set it to true, right? We will save it, then we will reload our browser. Yes, now it's available here. This is very useful for the development purpose for the developers. It helps us a lot.